I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics so you avoid chasing ghosts. Check the modem and router power and WAN lights, then reboot the router if needed. This clears transient network faults. Next, load a different site and use another device to see if the problem is local. Make sure to copy the exact error message and note recent changes or deployments. Once done, you'll have the facts required to move into DNS and network diagnostics confidently. You now tackle name resolution and path problems that often break loading. Flush your DNS cache so stale records don't misroute you. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushtons. On Linux, use the system resolver command. If that fails, change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP issues and then reload the site. Also, disable VPNs, proxies, and temporarily adjust firewall or parental control. You finish by validating both the client and server side so the fix sticks. Clear browser cache and cookies, or use incognito and a second browser to rule out client caching. On the server, restart web services, review error logs, and confirm disk space and SSL certificate validity. Once done, test the site from a different network or mobile data. If it still fails, contact your host with timestamps and logs. Troubleshooting tip: replicate the issue remotely and include logs. It speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.